Are you wondering about what is a local variable and what is a global variable? Let me break it down quickly with you in this short script with Python. So, right there, you can see I've defined this function, full function, and I've set up the variable b equal to 5. And I also print the local functions, okay? And downstairs, I've set up another a equal to 5 and I call my function, okay? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to run this script and you're going to see the output that you're going to have. All right. So as you can see, we have the directory where Python was able to access our script and execute it, and the value that we have set up, uh, uh, some kind of dictionary uh, key value b is defined to 5. Okay. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to change a couple of stuff now, and if I'm doing globals here, so let's replace locals by globals. Okay, so I'm going to save it and run our script again. And you see right now we have all the definition. Name is defined by men, doc. Okay, um, we have everything about our uh, uh, our global aspect here. Okay, you can see that everything is set up. We have our built-in with module built-in. We also have the path for our script, and finally we have the function that is defined, function full, with the memory address and all the parameters that we have set up. So that's why when I'm going to set up, maybe if I come here and I write, for example, print, I can say print a. Okay, if I run this function, you can see that a is defined outside out of that function. So a is defined in the global position. Okay, so if I'm running this code, you're going to see that I have print I have a that has been printed here. Okay, but now if I've defined in the global state a equal to 5, and I come here, I set up a equal to maybe 8, you're going to see that in this case, if I set up and I run the script, let me take this off. You can see that it's the local variable value that is printed here, because local variable going to be checked first, and if you are not able to find it locally, our function going to try to check globally by the end. So that's a little bit what I would like to share with you in this video, the difference between a global and a local variable, a global and a local aspect in programming languages. This aspect going to be the same with C++, Java, uh, and so on. So if you have learned something new, please give a thumbs up to this video and see you on the next video. Bye.